Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Hyundai Elantra, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So to start off our install, we just want to point out that our trailer wiring is going to plug in behind each of our tail lights. So we're going to start by getting behind each of our paneling. Now we're going to start by removing the threshold panel right here. It's held in by 2 push pins that we're going to remove using a trim panel tool. To remove our rear threshold panel, we're going to just have to pull out and then up. Now on our driver's side paneling, we're going to remove these 2 push pins using our trim panel tool. Then we have one more push pin right up here that we'll need to remove. Now we're going to pull back on our driver's side paneling, and this exposes our driver's side tail light harness right here. We're just going to push down on this tab and disconnect it. Now we're going to take our T connector with the yellow and brown wire, and we're going to plug it into our driver's side tail light. Now we're going to take our white wire with a ring terminal and we're going to ground it underneath our rear threshold panel. We're just going to go right here with it, and we're going to use our provided self-tapping screw and a 1/4 inch socket. Now we're going to take our T connector with the green and red wire, and we're going to bring it over to the passenger side taillight and plug it in there, following the same steps that we did on the driver's side. With everything plugged in, your trailer wiring is ready to go. But before we put all of our extra wires away, let's talk about where you can store your 4-flat harness. Now you have 2 good options for it. First is you can mount it right next to your hitch receiver, so it's always ready to go. To do that, we'll need to bring our wiring outside of our vehicle. We have some grommets and a vent over here on the driver's side that we can just push it through to get it underneath our vehicle. Now, if you don't want it to be on the outside of your vehicle, you can leave it right here in your cargo area. You can just leave it underneath your mat next to the spare tire. Now, when you need to tow, you can just pull it out through the weather seal, and then you can close the trunk on your wiring. So our customer wants to keep it inside of our vehicle, so we're gonna leave it right next to the spare tire. So now we're just going to tuck our converter box and our extra wires behind our panel, and we'll put together our cargo area. With our wiring plugged in and powered up, you're ready to tow a trailer. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.